Hey everybody, Justin here with Ultrabright Lights, and we are back with another Q&A for the Z-Flash Switch module, which is one of our brand new products and brand new Z-Flash Switch. I have a series of questions here. I'll go through them now. Will there be an update for older trucks or new makes like Toyota, Nissan, etc.? We were able to add some older vehicles to the Chrysler. We got back to around 2006, 2007 for most of the Chrysler vehicles, including your Dodge, Jeeps, and Rams. We're working on getting more, including the Nissan and Toyota. We're always looking to add more vehicles. Best thing we could say is add your vehicle to our waiting list. That connects directly with the engineers and lets them know which vehicles people are looking for, kind of helps guide them. Of course, some vehicles will just not work at all, so those we might never see, but we are looking to get as many vehicles as possible. Do you have a user guide for the new Z-Flash software? Yes, you can head over to thezflash.com. There's a whole slew of guides, videos, and helpful information that will guide you through using the software. Is there a way to modify individual lights or add in between without deleting the entire list? Why did you go away with the 3 custom patterns? All the patterns are customizable once you plug your module into the computer using the USB port on the back and the included USB cable. Unfortunately, this time you can't delete one that's higher up on the list, so you have to delete all the ones below it. We're looking to fix that in a future release, so stay tuned for that, but for now, that is the only way you can do it. So the 3 customizable patterns are gone. Now all the patterns are customizable. This way, if you like a pattern but maybe you want to tweak something, being able to plug the module into your computer and do that allows you to quickly and easily edit it. Looks like my last question. When are you going to add more vehicles or come out with a universal module? So unfortunately, universal module won't work. Each vehicle has its own architecture and wiring, so that's out the window. But we are always looking to add more vehicles. Again, go to ultrabrightlights.com and add your vehicle to the waiting list. That again will help guide us and tell us which vehicles people are looking for and where the demand is the biggest. So thanks for submitting all of your questions. If you have any additional questions, feel free to send us an email, message, or call us. We'll be happy to help you. Thanks for watching, and if you liked what you saw, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe. I'll see you next time.